Hello my students, how are you? Grade 5. Today we'll solve model number 8 from the الدقهليه government math questions bank. Second term. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. The fraction 4 over 7 raised to benchmark its fraction space. We know the half of 7 equals 3.5. Then 4 raised to half of denominator. It will be 1 over 2 by using benchmarks. Look at here, 4 over 7 nearest to half of 7 here, 3.5. It's half about denominator, 4 nearest 3.5. So 4 over 7 is nearest to half by using benchmarks. Question number 2. 4 and third plus 3 and 2 third. We know 1 equal third plus 2 third. It's 1. Then you can find the result in one step by your mind, or you can using adding about two fractions mixed number, 2 over 3 here, and 4 plus 3 equals 7, and write 3 in the numerator, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 divided by 3, 1 plus 7 equals 8, the result will be equal 8. Choose letter D. Third of 15, it's meaning third times 15. 15 divided by 5 equal 5, then the result will be equal 5. Okay, the result will be equal 5. Question 4. 4 over 7 times 7 over 4, it will be greater than 4 over 7, because 4 over 7 times 7 over 4, it will be equal 1. And we have here 4 over 7, then 1 will be greater than 4 over 7. Question 5. A quadrant has two acute angles and two pair of paired sides. We call it parallelogram. Parallelogram, okay. The angle of measure less than 90 degree is acute. Less than 90 degree, we call it acute angle. Circular degrees that match the fraction of the circle shaded part here, 1 from 6 parts. 1 over 6. 6 is multiplication 306. It will be 60 degree. 6 multiplication by 360 equals 60 degree. Question 2. Complete the following. The estimation of third plus 2 over 5 is 1. It's called space estimation. Underestimation or overestimation. You must compare between the actual number and the estimation one. Okay, look at here. Third plus 2 over 5. We must compare between the actual number and the estimation was 1. Look at here, we can find the least common multiplication between 5 and 3, it will be 15. 5 times 1 equals 5, 2 times 3 equals 6, the result will be 11 over 15. Which greater? We know 1, it's greater than. Then it's called underestimation. We call it underestimation because 1 greater than 11 over 15. Question number 2. If k minus 2 and 5 over 7 equal 1 and 3 over 7, then the value of k. K here represents 2 million. To find the million, you must each subtract to the difference. K subtract 2 and 5 over 7, it will be 1 and 3 over 7. Then k will be 1 and 3 over 7 plus 2 and 5 over 7. K will be equal 1 plus 2 equal 3, and write 7 in the numerator, 5 plus 3 equal 8. You can simplify it because 8 greater than 7. 8 divided by 7 equal 1, and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 3 plus 1 equal 4, 4 and 1 over 7. It's the result about this example. Question number 3. 4 times d equal 1 over 10, then value of d equal. We know 4 times 5 equal 10, but 4 in the numerator, so you must write 5 also in the numerator. 4 times 5 equal 1 over 20, then the value about d equal 1 over 5. Ahmed has 12 liters of a fruit juice and he wants to divide it equally among 5 of his friends. The number of liters each person or each friend gets equal space. We can divide it 12 by 5. 12 divided by 5. 12 divided by 5, right, 5 in the numerator. 12 divided by 5 equal 2 and the remainder 2. 2 and 2 over 5. Okay, 2 and 2 over 5 liter. It's the result about question number 4. Question number 5. That shape is called the ray. We call it a ray. It's called a ray. Question 6. When plot order 7 and negative 4 in the coordinate plate, we move space horizontal in x-axis. Here 7. 7 horizontally units in x-axis. Right 7 in the space here. Right 7. Here 7. The pyramids has space vertices. Pyramids about square. We called about what? If we has pyramid here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. But if we have squared pyramid, we have 5 vertices. But in this example, he asked about pyramids. Pyramids, it's meaning shape number 1. Is this solid here? Solid has 4 vertices. If he change it, these pyramids, and write based or squared pyramid, you must write 5. But in this example, you must write 4 vertices. The fraction which represents the shaded part here, how many parts? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 7. We have 7 parts, and he colored 4 parts from 7. Then you write 4 over 7. Question number 3 shows the correct answer. The equivalent fraction 2, 3 over 5 equal space. 3 times 4 equal 12 and 4 times 5 equal 20. Choose letter B by multiplication 3 numerator and numerator. 12 over 20. If 8 and x over 7 less than 8 and a half, needs the estimation of value x equal space. Estimation about this number. You know 8 and x over 7, he tell us 8 and x over 7 less than 8 and a half. Okay, you know 8 over x, 8 and x over 7 is less than 8 and a half. Half of what? Of 7. Write 7 here. 2 times 7 equals 7. Equal what? No, it's a half. It's meaning about 14. You must write this multiplication between 2 and 7. It will be equal 14 here. And 7 half of 14. Then you must change the next fraction here. 8 and write 14 in the numerator. Can you tell me? You must write number less than 7, where you must write 6. So x will be equal 6 in this example, because 8 and x over 7 less than 8 and a half, and we know 7 half of 14. 7 is a half of 14. Okay. But this example they asked about 8 and x over 7 less than half. Ask it yourself. Half of 7 equals 3.5. Then x less than what? Less than what's number nearest to 3.5? It will be 3. Then 8 and 3 over 7 less than 8 and 3.5 over 7, because 3.5 it's half of 7. Then x here will be equal 3. Okay, the result will be what? Letter E. Don't change the denominator. You must ask yourself, half of 7 here equal 3.5. It's half of 7. What is the number less than 3.5? It will be 3. Okay, it's the result. Question number 3, 3 and half. We must find the result by dividing them. 3 divided by half, write 3, and convert from division to multiplication. 3 times 2 equals 6. The volume of opposite figure, how many cube here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Question 5. 5 meters of cloth is used to make 2 identical dresses. To find the amount of cloth that we use for each dress, we use process special. We have 5 meters and we want to find the amount of cloth to use for each dress. To make 2 identical dresses, so we use here division. 5 divided by 2 equal 2.5. Each dress will be equal or get 2.5 meters. So you must using division by 5 and 2. Question 6. From the opposite number lines, the distance between K and B equal K here and B. Look at here. K lies between 2.2.5 and 3.5. It will be 2. 2.5 plus half equal 3. Okay, K equal 3. Because the 8 half, the distance between each point equal half. Okay, half plus 2.5 equal 3. And here 3.5, 4, 4.5, B, 4.5. It was K and it was B. The difference between them, 4.5 subtracted by 3 equal 1.5. Choose letter D. Triangle of 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter. We called it isosceles triangle because we have here 2 side lengths equal lengths. Question 4. Rania bought 11 over 15 kilogram of flour and used 3 over 5 kilogram of it. How many remaining kilogram of flour we can find the difference between them? 11 over 15 subtract 3 over 5. Write 11 over 15 here, and 3 times 5 equal 15. 3 times 3 equal 9. 11 minus 9 equal 2. 2 over 15 kilogram. Which letter B? Summer uses 1 and 3 over 4 kilograms, 1 and 3/4 kilogram of flour to make a large cake. What is the amount you need to make 6 cakes of the same size? To find the result, multiplication 6 by 1 and 3 over 4. 6 multiplication 1 and 3 over 4. Write 6 here and convert this number from mixed number to improper. Write 4 in the numerator. 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 3 times 7 equals 21. 21 divided by 2. You can write 2 in the numerator. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 divided by 2 equals 0. And the remainder 1. And the result will be 10.5 kilogram. Question C. A hole was dug in Salma's backyard to fix the plumbing. The length of the hole was 8 meters and its width 1 over 10 meters. What's the area of the hole? We can find the area by multiplication length and width. Area equal length multiplication by width. Length here 8 meters, multiplication by width 1 over 10 meters. You can simplify divided by 2 equal 4. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. The result will be 4 times 1 equal 4, and write 5 in the numerator. The result will be 4 over 5 square meter. It's the result about this example. Okay, 4 over 5 square meter. Question 10. The volume of the opposite figure. We have here convex shape. Here we have first cuboid and second cuboid. Look at with me here. Length here 5 centimeter and width 2 centimeter and height 2 centimeter. It's the volume number 1. 5 times 2 times 2. And the volume about cuboid, second cuboid here, length 5 centimeter and width here 1 centimeter and the height here 5 centimeter. 5 times 1 times 5 equal 25, and volume 1 5 times 4 20, and we can write cubic centimeter here. Then the volume about the figure here, 25 plus 20 equal 45 cubic centimeter. 45.